Hey friends, if you wish to install and use the WPS Office on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. But before anything else, don't follow the advice given by other channels, websites, and AI generated tools to download it from the official website. Why? I'll explain later, but here's the right procedure. Search for Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Now, search for WPS and then go to WPS Office UWP. You can also choose the the complete suite, but I prefer this one. And just click on install and wait. It will install by itself after checking the dependency services and all. So that's how it works. It's so easy. And this version will be better than the version you will download from the online one because it will not push bloatware to your computer. It is tested. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.